Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on and turn off dark mode on Snapchat, iPhone and iPad. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, go back your home screen and open setting. From here scroll down, then tap on accessibility and tap on this. Scroll down, tap on per app setting, and from here what you need to do it, add Snapchat. I am already at, you guys can see Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat, scroll down, smart inverter, tap on this. From here you make sure that turn off, go back, you guys can see, tap on turn on, you guys can see. Easily you have turn on and turn off dark mode on Snapchat. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.